Welcome everybody to the Manimoto channel boat watch series today here at the Boynton Beach Inlet. Stay tuned. Alright, who we got here? Another cobia. Oh, okay. Costa. So this guy on the last video heading out, and here he is on this one coming back in. By the way, a little secret, I shouldn't tell you this. Some might have already figured it out. But when I come down to the inlet, I try to get enough stuff for 2 or 3 videos. So right now it's May 10th. I call it the May 10th outing. And see, if I get as much as I can to get at least one, minimum 2 videos. I got 70 clips on the first one. If I could get another 70, I'll walk out of here with 140. And that'll give me 2 videos. And then I'll free up some time to do other stuff. So that is my little insider secret right there. Another inbounder. Oh, yep. Oh, actually, we just saw this guy going out, I think.
It was the second half of an outing on May 10th of 2025. A bit warm, but the sea breeze kept the heat in check.
Ah, this might be a cool. Oh. Shall we get him? Got him. A sea hunt right there. SH. The guy before was a sportsman.
The water was quite choppy, but it did not stop any of the boats from going out. And the water actually calmed down as the day progressed. So all in all, a nice day.
Oh, look at that. A boat and a fire truck. Bang. Catching some inbound traffic at the moment. Patty B, here we go. Patty B, we got him. Yep, we're gonna get a bunch of inbounders now. Yep. I got here like around, I'm gonna say 7 o'clock or so. Did a bunch of filming for the first video of this outing. And caught a bunch of boats going out. And he was the first one I caught going out before. So that means the rest of them are going to be coming back in. Lady K's out there, Seamus 3's out there, Living on Island Time is out there. I haven't seen Southern Cup before today, however, but keep my eyes open. Gonna head back out to the jetty out there. Whoa, check this guy out. Cinderella, name of this guy. Grady White. Yeah, we're gonna be catching. Yep.
Back to the jetty to get some awesome views from over here.
All right. Ooh. I don't know who this is. Angle Drop, the name of this guy. Man, that dude just came out of nowhere. There was another boat about to enter the inlet. I was keeping my eye on him, and this guy just came out. This guy I was eyeing first. He was coming from the south, and that other boat was coming from the north. One was coming from my right, and the other one was coming from my left. Basically, that was it. Look how crazy that water is today. I think a cold front moved in, so that's probably what's causing all this wind and stuff. Cold front is usually the culprit. Yep. Cool spot, man. Boynton Beach. I'm calling it the inlet. We continue. Perfect time. All right, we got this guy. He's got the American flag, the Florida state flag, a bunch of flags.
Quickly turned around and came back.
We caught this guy going out before. Steiger Craft. I really like that. I like that. Wow. Oh, Lake Boynton Beach. All right. That's where he's headed. And we got this guy, Mako, right here. See you later. So, Patty B just got back not too long ago. Lady K, Seamus 3, and Living on Island Time are still out there. And that's what I'm waiting for. Very patiently. Another inbounder. Oh yeah, caught this guy heading out earlier.
I caught the big fishing charters heading out early in the day. Lady K, Seamus 3, Living on Island Time, and they were out there, so I was just waiting patiently for them to come back since we catch them coming back in. Did not see Southern Comfort 4 on this outing.
It's been pretty quiet for the past hour or so, so hopefully soon we'll get some life.
Sometimes it quiets down a little bit, and then it comes back to life. All in all, it was a busy day.
Check this guy out. Ooh, that's sweet. Jersey Toy, it says on the back. I don't think, alright. That's nice. Back on the jetty. Alright. Oh. There we go. We got him. We got him. Got him. Aqua Sport right there. And we got another guy coming this way. This guy. Everglades. Right there. Man, the breeze feels really, really good out here. I'm just waiting for 4 more fishing boats. And then I'm calling it a day. So far I got 4,497 steps in today. Southport right there, saw that guy earlier. All right, here we go. 4 Devils, the name of this guy. And, wait, there's another one. Ah, this guy. Oh. Oh, that was the Everglades we saw earlier. And that other guy, 4 Devils, I think he's from North Carolina. All right, Lady K is on its way to the inlet, and we got some other boats coming. All right, let's do this. The water's calmed down a little bit since this morning, I can tell. Still a little rough, but I can definitely tell the difference. All right, here comes this guy. Ooh, well, hold on. I think I saw this guy before, too. Ooh, we got, hold on. Oh, a Jupiter right here. And, ooh, this guy. Yep. All right, here we go, Lady K. Yep. Yeah, man. It's around, I'm gonna say 11:45 at the moment. May 10, 2025. Lady K, he's heading to Lantana. Yep. Money shot. There you go. The Jamie Buffett Memorial Highway and the South Lake Worth Inlet, the intersection thereof. Here we go. This is so crazy, man. I just love this vantage point, watching the waves rolling. Seamus 3 is about to come through here any moment, and we still have to wait for Living on Island Time, and that will be it for it today. Southern Comfort 4 did not come out on this outing. I did not see them. Don't know why, but yep. Even out here in the inlet, it calmed down a little bit. Pump house right there on the north side of the inlet. Technically a spillway. I see Seamus 3 out there. He's slowly heading this way. We got another little boat coming. Ooh, yeah, Contender. I couldn't read the name of that boat though, it's blocked, but that's a Contender right there. All right, we'll get this guy. There you go. All right, here we go. Seamus 3. Let's see if we catch a wave. Ooh. Oh. All right. What's for dinner? Fish tacos. Boynton Beach. They got the FLA on there for Florida, like back in the old days. There he goes. American flag prominently displayed. And what we have? We got a little center console rolling up. Coming this way. See if we catch this guy before Living on Island Time rolls in. He's on his way. What is this? It looks like a cobia. Let's see, catch this guy. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Oh, man. Look at this. Woo. Bow, bow, bow. Whoa. Oh. Hauling butt. Yeah. Living on Island Time. Man, he's hauling too. All right, welcome home, everybody. Yay. We got a wave and a thumbs up. Yes, sir. like that echo, man. That's cool. That was echoing so much, I thought there was another boat coming behind him. That's how much of an echo gets coming up where that jetty curves right there. Yep, look at all this. Look at all this. Yeah, sweet. By the way, be careful, because I fell before, so be careful out here for sure, including me, ladies and gentlemen, including me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna do it for today on Mr. Manny for the Manny Moto channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This one is in the books.